Hello, my dear students. I am P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics. Today, I will discuss about electricity part 3. Coming to circuit battery resistor, it is possible to find potential difference resistance current. If more than one resistance, we have to find difficulty. Circuits are two types, series and parallel. Series means end-to-end connection, parallel means all positives one end, all negatives one end. Coming to series circuit, a single path through which current can traverse the external circuit. Okay, here the current is same. We can observe flow of electrons in the circuit. This circuit we call it series, end-to-end connection. Here all ends we can connect positive, all ends here we can connect negative, R1, R2, R3. So this provides multiple pathway which current can traverse the external circuit. Each changes pass through a single branch. Okay, current can divides. See the animation, charges are divides means current can splits. In series, the current flow is single path, only one path. In parallel, multiple path. We know that electrons are always passing from negative to positive. Here, 5 resistors is there. How we can find equivalent resistance? We can arrange series means we can get the maximum resistance in the circuit. Increased resistance serves to reduce the rate. Resistors in parallel combination. Resistors in parallel combination. So, what is the parallel combination? Parallel combination means all positive terminals are connected at one end, all negative terminals are connected at another end. This type of connection we can say parallel connection. Parallel connection. Okay. So, consider a resistors. Consider a resistors R1, R2, R3. Consider 3 resistors R1, R2, R3. Okay. So these resistors having positive and negative terminals. Positive and negative terminals. Positive and negative terminals. So according to parallel combination means all positive terminals of resistors connected at one end, all negative terminals connected at another end. So we can write like this. Okay, this type of connection we can say parallel combination. Parallel combination. Okay, here we can apply potential difference V means battery. Okay, so current can pass through the circuit at junction A, at junction B. Current can split. So this R1 resistor, R2 resistor, R3 resistor. Okay, here I1 current, I2 current, I3 current. Okay, so here I1, I2, I3 it will become I throughout the circuit. This type of combination, so we can say parallel combination. This type of connection we can say parallel combination. In parallel combination, current can split into I1 plus I2 plus I3. So we can say junction rule, Kirchhoff junction rule. The current enter into the junction which is equal to the number of current leaving from the junction. Okay, so throughout the circuit potential difference is same. same. Throughout the circuit, the potential difference V is same. V is same. For understanding, I can draw once again the parallel circuit. We can derive the final formula. Positive, negative, battery, current, R1, R2, R3, I1, I2, I3, I2, I3. So we know that at the junction, the current can enter, which is equal to the current leaving from the junction. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, so throughout the circuit, the potential difference is same. V is equal to V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3. V1, V2, V3 means the potential differences across R1, R2, R3 resistors. Okay, so we know Ohm's law. We know Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. Then I is equal to V by R. V by R. Like that, I is equal to V by R. I1 is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R3. I3 is equal to V by I2 is equal to V by R2. I3 is equal to V by R3. Okay. So using this equation, we can get I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. What is I? V by R. That is equal to, what is I1? I1 means V by R1. V by R1 plus I2 V by R2. I3 V by R3. Here V1, V2, V3 same value. Okay. See here V is common in every part. We can cancel V. So that means V by R is equal to V into 1 by R. 1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. V gets cancelled. Okay. This resistance we can say effective resistance or resultant resistance. 1 by R effective or resultant is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by R3. So this is the final expression for resistors in parallel combination. 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. So here, in this parallel combination, we can get the resultant resistance R effective is minimum. Okay, so current will changes. V is same or V is constant throughout the circuit. V is same or constant throughout the circuit. Okay, so now the reciprocal of effective resistance of parallel combination is the sum of the individual resistors in reciprocal of individual resistance. Okay, the effective resistance we can get in this case 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. The given network is representing the three resistors with resistances 2 ohms, 2 ohms and 4 ohms respectively are connected in parallel with a 12 volt battery. Determine the equivalent resistance of the given network. Given circuit, they given three resistors. R1 is equal to 2 ohms, R2 is equal to 2 ohms, R3 is equal to 4 ohms and battery 12 volts. What we have to find here? Effective resistance. Resistors are connected in parallel combination. Okay. So what is the required formula? Okay. So R effective, these resistors are connected in parallel combination. So we can take formula R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. This R1, R2, R3 value we can substitute in the given formula. We can get the effective resistance. Okay. 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by R1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by R2 1 by 2 ohms plus 1 by R3. R3 is equal to 4 ohms. 4 ohms. Okay. R effective is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Half plus half. 1. 1. 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay. By LCM, 4 ones 4, 4, 4 ones 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4. So it is reciprocal form. Reciprocal. The effective resistance in the form of inverse. So reciprocal is R effective is equal to 4 by 5 ohms. R effective 4 by 5 ohms. So be careful while solving problems. If we know formula, we can substitute. So from the given data, by using suitable formula, we can get the answer. Applications of parallel combination in daily life. In parallel combination, this parallel combination is highly useful in circuit used in daily life, as the circuit used have component of different resistances requiring different amount of current. This type of combination in a circuit divides the current among the components of so they have necessary amount of current to operate properly. Okay, here, so example, in our home, a rice cooker and heater and iron. So these three require different amount of current. So we don't connect this iron box, heater, rice cooker. We don't operate in series. Okay, so that different same voltage but different current requires. Two 40 ohm resistors and a 20 ohm resistor are all connected in parallel with a 12 volt power supply. Calculate their effective resistance and the current through each resistor. What is the current flowing through the supply? In the above problem, they given three resistors. R1 is equal to 40 ohms, R2 is equal to 40 ohms, R3 is equal to 20 ohms and battery 12 volts. We have to find the effective resistance, the current passing through first resistor, the current passing through second resistor, the current passing through third resistor and total current passing through the circuit. The total current passing through the circuit. This we have to find. Okay. So first we have to find the effective resistance. The effective resistance, these are arranging in parallel. Okay, see, these three resistors are parallel. So what is the formula required to find the effective resistance? Yes, the required formula R effective is equal to 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, so R effective, what is R1? 40. 1 by 40, R2 40 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by R3, 1 by 20, 1 by 20. Okay, R effective is equal to 1 by 40 plus 1 by 40, 2 by 40. So 40 is common, remaining 1 plus 1. 2 by 40, 2 by 40 plus 1 by 20. Okay, 2 ones, 2 20s. 2 ones, 2 20s. So then, remaining so 1 by R effective, 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by 20, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20. 1 by 20, 1 by 20. 20 is common, 1 plus 1 is there. So means 2 by 20. 2 ones, 2 tens. 1 by 10. 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by 10. R effective is equal to 10. R effective is equal to 10 ohms. Resistance is 10 ohms. Resistance is 10 ohms. Then according to Ohm's law, what we have to find? V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Then I is equal to V by R. V by R. Okay, I1 is equal to V is same. V by R1. V by R1. I is equal to V by R. I1 is equal to V by R1 because here the battery is same. The potential difference is same. Here current can divides. I1 is equal to V by R1. So what is the value of V? V value 12 volts. 12 volts. 12 volts divided by R1. R1 how much? R1 40. 40. Okay. 12 by 40. 2 6 2 2s, 2 zeros. Next. 2 3s, 2 10s. Okay. I1 is equal to 3 by 10. 0.3 amperes. Okay. I1 is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10, 0.3 meters. 0.1, 0.3, 0.3 amperes. Next, I2. I2 is equal to V by R2. Okay, 12 divided by 40. Same, 12 divided by 40. From the previous, you can write 0.3 amperes. Next, I3. I3 is equal to V by R3. V by R3. 12 divided by 20. 12 divided by 20. We know that 2 6 2 10 0.6 amperes. 0.6 amperes. 2 6 2 10 0.6. So then total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I is equal to 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.6. Okay. How much total? 0.9, 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 1.2 ampere, 1.2 amperes, 1.2 amperes. Coming to problems based on combinations of resistor. Problems based on combinations of resistors, series and parallel or both. Series and parallel or both. Okay. So in this combination, circuit has some resistances connected in series combination and some of parallel combination. In this type of combination is also called complex circuit. Find the equivalent resistance between points A and B of the circuit given below. Diagram. Here, three resistors, same equal resistance R. Okay. See, so which type of circuit this is? Okay. So, by solving number of problems like this, you can get the solution easily. Okay. So, for this type of circuit diagrams, we can have equivalent resistance circuit diagram. Equivalent circuit diagram means, so this we can rearrange like this now. This we can rearrange like this. Okay, so this circuit we can change like this. So by observing every point, this one point, we can change the circuit diagram like this. Okay, understand? So here each resistance R. Okay, by looking, so how like it is parallel combination of three resistors. What is the formula for this? 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. R effective, 1 by R effective is equal to 3 by R. 3 by R. So rearrange this. We need to find R effective, not 1 by R effective. Okay. So 1 by R effective is equal to 3 by R. R effective is equal to R by 3 ohms. R by 3 ohms. Okay, be careful, Nana. It is very, very important. Okay, so this type of circuit diagram we can have equivalent circuit diagram. So this circuit we can change like this. Okay, these three resistors are parallel. By using parallel combination, so we can get the answer. R effective is equal to R by 3 ohms. R by 3 ohms. A wire of resistance 6R is bent in the form of a circle. What is the effective resistance between the ends of the diameter? Solution of problem. First, they given a wire having 6 ohms. That wire bends like circle. Okay, after that, so we have to find the effective resistance of wire along the diameter. So this dotted line we can say diameter. So along the diameter we can have 2 points AB. Okay, between AB what is the effective resistance? Between AB what is the effective resistance? This wire have 6 ohms. Okay, this wire we can bend like circle. Okay, this circle having 6 ohms resistor. Okay, See here, diameter divides the equal part of circle. Okay, so half and half. Means this upper part having 3 ohms and lower part having 3 ohms. Because resistance is directly proportional to length. So length decreases half means resistance also decreases half. So from this, so these 3 ohms are parallel. A and B. Here 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, which connection parallel. So what is the formula? 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, because R1, R2 both are same. 1 by R is equal to 1 by 3 is common 2. 2 by 3 ohms. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So then reciprocal of this value we can get the answer. R is equal to 3 by 2 ohms. R is equal to 3 by 2 ohms. Okay, my dear student, here I am giving you homework. Complete it by tomorrow and submit in our class WhatsApp group. In case of doubts, mail me to venkyamscphysics 2007@gmail.com. First question, in which type of combination of different resistors will have equal value of electric current through them? Second question, if different resistors have same value of electric potential across them, in which way they are connected each other? Third one, why we do not use series combination of connecting electric appliances in household circuit? Fourth one, what do you understand by mixed combination of resistances? Fifth one, in the circuit shown below, calculate the net resistance of the circuit.